Hello. Welcome to Body Tips. Today we are going to learn about usefulness of meditation. If you're not yet subscribed, then subscribe now. Meditation is a powerful tool that has been used for centuries to promote relaxation, mindfulness, and spiritual growth. In recent years, it has gained popularity in the Western world as more people seek natural ways to alleviate stress and anxiety. One of the most significant benefits of meditation is its ability to reduce stress. When we meditate, we quiet our minds and focus on our breath or a specific mantra, which helps to calm our nervous system and decrease the production of stress hormones. This, in turn, can lead to lower blood pressure, improved sleep, and an overall sense of well-being. Meditation can also improve our ability to focus and concentrate. By training our minds to stay present in the moment, we can become more productive and efficient in our daily lives. Additionally, regular meditation practice has been linked to increased creativity and better decision-making skills. Another benefit of meditation is its ability to promote emotional regulation. Through meditation, we can learn to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment, which can help us become more self-aware and better equipped to manage difficult emotions. This can be particularly useful for individuals with anxiety or depression. Meditation can also be a powerful tool for spiritual growth. By cultivating a deeper awareness of our inner selves, we can connect with our spirituality and develop a greater sense of purpose and meaning in our lives. In conclusion, meditation is a simple yet powerful practice that can have profound benefits for our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Whether you are looking to reduce stress, improve your focus, or connect with your spirituality, meditation is a valuable tool that can help you achieve your goals. Thank you.